As I have been trying to design on the configurator that Chevy has, obviously being limited on the wheel options that they provide, and obviously the ground effects are obviously very limited, as expected for a brand new design. I decided I would take a look at some current ground effects and body kits available for supercars, as well as some wheel options that are out there to see what we could do to customize the C8 when it becomes available. So we'll do this front fascia area, obviously some wheel options, probably a side skirt, and then kind of a little bit of a rear lip just to bring it all together. And at the end, maybe you can leave some comments, what customizations I've done that you like, what you don't like, and we'll go ahead here. Obviously you can see right here I've already done two. We'll see those at the end. I'm going to start from scratch with a new one. I'm going to go ahead and open, let's see, some body kits. Obviously that's the Devo, it's just the way it looks, but we might be able to pull some of these fins and stuff, maybe this lower piece, and see what that looks like. Again, just another angle. And then we can also pull some wheels that I've already set aside. So we'll go through those. Kind of go this one. Alright, so I might have to place a caliper or something inside this wheel later on. Until then, we'll just go ahead and get these put into place. It's a little weird right now, but we'll see if we can get those fixed up. So maybe we'll take a look at the Devo. See if we can make this one work. Alright, let's see what this look does here. Alright. That at least looks like a real wheel. Get this one set in place here. So I'm going to tone these wheels down a bit. They look a little bright. I do like that Devo front lip on this one. Let's see if we can use the side skirt now. Much more aggressive. Let's see if we can make this one work. I need a lot more tweaking to get it to look right, but we'll give it a shot. Alright, so we'll definitely be getting rid of a lot of pieces on this thing, I think. Still doesn't quite fit this side here. But yeah, we'll mess around and see what we can do to make it look right. And if it doesn't, we'll find another more appropriate side skirt to use. This line here, body line's a little harsh. Obviously, we can't just get rid of it, because we're just trying to add to the car, not change what's there from the factory. Coming around, see if we can touch it up with some shadows. Make it feel like it's actually on the car. It's kind of getting there. Could be the fact these wheels don't necessarily go with this style. Alright, let's see if these are any better. And hopefully we can just use the rotors and calipers that we already copied in for the other wheels. Maybe we just go with them a little darker. See what we can do about these calipers. Maybe we can try the same thing with the seat. Right now I just want to kind of tweak these seat colors and kind of get them to match, or at least feel like they're part of this design choice. Third one, obviously, like I said at the beginning, I already had 2 other ones already made when I was trying out this project, see how well it would work. So we're going to show those now, but again, that was a process. Stole some parts from Devo, slapped them on this C8, see what kind of modifications we could make. I'll switch over to the second one. So as we can see from the original, we got wheels, added this side skirt here, and of course a whole new front fascia. And the last one here, I believe this is my personal favorite. I like the big gaping fascia here, nice simple side skirt, and some pretty cool black wheels. Kind of similar to this one, just a more star shape. So I'll put these, I'll line these up so you can rate them. As you can see here, 1, 2, and 3. In the comments, let me know which ones you think is best, and maybe what parts of each are your favorite. Rank those. Let me know what you think. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.